again, it's on again. If we lose, we die, cause we born to win. Wouldn't say I've always felt this good, but I can't remember how long it's been since I haven't. Once you have it, go and grab it, never let it go. Do it right because your life could end tonight, baby, you never know. It's hard to see what's missing when you're looking from this position, because everything looks different when you love the life you're living. And with all this recognition, I don't know how I should feel. That's why I love it when we fail, because at least we know it's real. The game and the fame are the same in the way that my brain wants nothing but it. So it's strange to contain to the same to explain when they ask me why I love it. It's safe to say we paved the way, we make today into something big. So every night we live this life, we're falling back in love again. We're smoking and we're sipping, we're doing it the biggest. We'll never do it different, we love the life we're living. We're smoking and we're sipping, we're doing it the biggest. We'll never do it different, we love the life we're living. We're falling, we fall into this life we live, and now we're all in, though we might be kids. We hear them calling, they're calling for the fight we in. We can't recall it, the alcohol is out the bar and missing by the morning. Living it up, we're sipping it up, we don't need your weed cause we're getting enough. I'm something like a born again virgin, cause I stopped giving a fuck. I'm the sharpest dude up in the room, so I can make a hell of a point, cause I never drove a Toyota, but I could roll a hell of a joint. My eyes are getting wider, it's getting brighter, cause I'm vibing. We get so high that when we come down we call the sky.